In a quiet village, one farmer built his house high above the ground. "Why so tall?" the villagers laughed. He simply replied, "For the floods." Months later, the skies broke open. Rain poured without end, the river swallowing every home, except one. The farmer opened his doors wide. "Come in, all of you. You will be safe here." Soon, the house was packed from wall to wall. When he returned from helping more people, they told him, "No room left." The man who built the refuge now stood alone in the rain. Then came a traveling movie star, stranded by the flood. The villagers quickly made space. The star was welcomed in with warmth and smiles, while the farmer walked away into the storm. Fame often overshadows true kindness.